Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when your HUAWEI FreeBuds Pro 4 keep disconnecting. Firstly, it's only for Android devices. You can move to the second method if you have Apple device. Now on your iPhone, open the application. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app, then you will see them as device list and you need to tap at your earbuds. Then scroll down just a bit and you need to find sound quality. So right here, if you have prioritized sound quality, try to swap to connection quality. And if you have connection quality, swap to the sound quality. And maybe this one is fix your problem. Next step is to perform a software set. To perform a software set, put your earbuds to the charging case and now close the case. Your earbuds now are disconnected from your phone, and after that you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect with your phone. Now checked. If it didn't help you, next step is to perform a factory set. To perform a factory set, you need to also put your earbuds to the charging case, but this time don't close the case. At the right side we have connectional button. You need to press and hold it until the LED light on the front side start blinking red, so it's something like 10 seconds. Firstly it starts blinking white, don't worry, just enter to pairing mode, just keep holding this button. Here we go, and now we need to reconnect these earbuds with the phone. So go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your earbuds. Then forget device. Now if you have Android, click pair new device button at the top, if you have this button, because not all Android phones have it. But I need to tap on it, and after factory reset, these earbuds enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them at the device list. On your iOS, try to turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, and then you should see them at the device list. So tap on them and click pair. And now, if all of these methods didn't help you, we can also reset Bluetooth settings. Firstly, I will show you how to do this on Android device, and then I will move to iOS. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part also to find a similar path. And once you did it, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. On your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to the system. So scroll down, click at the system, then scroll down again, and at the bottom we have reset options. Tap at this line. Right here you need to select reset Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and then click reset. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to the general settings. Now scroll down, and at the bottom we have transfer reset iPhone. Click at this line and then click reset. In this window we need to select reset network settings, because on iOS we haven't option to reset Bluetooth settings, and Bluetooth settings inside the network settings. So tap at this line, write your password, and then click Reset Network Settings. But again, you will totally remove all your Wi-Fi networks from your phone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!